Something can provide firmness, elasticity in just one step, I am sold. This Pro Collagen Hydra Repair from Divrain was exactly my skin was craving for. Enriched with probiotics that strengthen the skin barrier, collagen that provides firmness, aloe vera that soothes the skin, 17 peptides and hyaluronic acid that supports collagen production. The one thing that I really love about this cream, it is non-greasy and suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. You can apply during the day or night as per your schedule. Do take a patch test, comment for link.